Approach American 2006.
American 2006, Phoenix.
Yeah, I'd like to declare emergency at this time. We have a slat failure.
2006, Roger. Stay still, remain in, souls when able.
Wilco, American 2006.
2006, descend at pilot's discretion. Maintain 10,000. Speed, your discretion.
10,000, American 2006. American 2006, 197 on board, 2 hours fuel.
American 2006, are you ready to land runway 8 now, or do you need to delay or anything?
Well, we're trying to get ready by the time we get there. 197 on board, 2 hours of fuel.
Copy that, thank you, American 2006. And do you want a long final or anything special?
Please.
Sounds good. American 2006, I'll just box you around over top of the final. You let me know when you're ready to come in.
Wilco, thank you, American 2006.
American 2006, turn right heading 200.
Right turn 200, American 2006.
American 2006, contact approach 124.1, no box you around.
124.1, American 2006.
2006, fly heading 270. I'm going to move you out to the west about 5 miles for the hold.
270, American 2006.
Hey, departure American 1038.
Good.
Yeah, we've got a low oil pressure, number 2. We're going to need to return.
1038, Roger. Is it super time sensitive?
Yes, it is.
1038, you are clear to the Sky Harbor Airport via radar vectors. Fly heading of a 190, maintain 5,000.
Heading 190, 5,000, American 1038.
1038, when able, say fuel and souls on board, please.
American 1038, 132 souls on board, and we've got 23,400 pounds.
Empire 4753, Phoenix approach. It'll be, are you IFR rated? We're ILS at the field today.
No, I'm IFR rated, Empire 4753.
Empire 4753, it's going to be a while. We have 2 emergencies right now going into Phoenix. It's going to be shutting down the north runway, and everybody else is using the south runway, so it's going to be a while. If you could, I'm going to have some holding instructions for you here in about 10 or 15 miles.
Okay, Roger, Empire 4753. Any chance I can pick up that IFR at some point?
Empire 4753, you can pick up IFR, but like I said, it's going to be a while. They are very full on the south side, have an emergency going in right now to runway 8, going to close the runway, and then another one holding that's burning off some fuel, going to close down 8. So if you don't have enough fuel, you might want to start thinking about other plans.
Okay, Roger.
American 2006, cleared to hold, present position, left-hand turns, leg lengths are your discretion, and just let me know when you're ready to come out. Expect further clearance for now, 1800.
All right, hold present position, left legs, American 2006.
And when you have those leg lengths established, just let me know what you're going to be doing there.
Wilco, American 2006.
Haven't got another emergency coming in. It's going to shut down the south side, looks like.
Okay, we're pretty much committed to get into Phoenix now with our fuel.
Just let me know what you need to do. We got one that's going to shut down the north side as soon as he's ready to come in, and we got another one that's coming in on the south side. America 2006, I'm going to keep you in the hold for a second. Your company's coming in. Got an issue.
Roger.
We need to go back to Tucson. I can't gamble on you guys getting us in. Obtain 200, cleared Tucson radar vectors, guys, for 937.
American 2870, runway 8's going to be closed. Expect vectors runway 7 right. Descend to maintain 10,000.
Descend to maintain 10,000 for 7 right, American 2870. Closed, huh?
Affirmative.
For 2006, we're trying to get runway 8 opened up for you for the mechanical.
Thank you. Yeah, we're going to need your longest runway available with the flight control problem we got.
Understood.
Thanks, dude.
Just let me know if you need anything sooner.
Yeah, we'll let you know. Like I said, we're good for about 10 minutes, but we kind of want to get the spurt on the ground when we can.
Gotcha. American 2006, you're cleared to Sky Harbor via radar vectors. Fly heading 075, maintain 8,000.
075 on the heading, 6,000, American 2006.
2006, maintain 8,000 for now, please.
Okay, 075 on the heading and 8,000 for now, American 2006. Great, but we can take 7 left in a pinch.
American 2006, turn 10 degrees to the left, maintain 8,000.
10 left, 8,000, American 2006.
Fire Command, the ETA on the first aircraft is about 5 minutes. It's on final. And we're going to try as much as possible to hold off for runway 8 for the second aircraft. But for the moment, he's inbound for runway 7 left, and I'll let you know on the ETA on that one.
Speaking Tower, Fire Command.
Fire Command Tower.
Okay, copy. Be advised, we're staging for American 1038 off of runway 8, and we've got American 2006 coming in, 7 left. Is there any way we can have American 2006 just stand by, burn some fuel, and then that way we can make our way over there as soon as we get to emergency?
Mention, or correction of Fire Command, we're actually trying to circle the American 2006 and trying to bring him in for runway 8. He originally said that he needed 7 left, so we're trying to work with him to bring him into 8, trying to keep it all standard.
Okay, copy that. That'll work much better for us if he comes in on runway
8. We understand, so as soon as I get an answer, I'll let you know.
Much appreciated. Thank you. 0 down to 7,000, American 2006. Approach American 2006. We'd just like to stick with 7 left now. We got it breezed up in the box. I don't want to change back again.
American 2006, I'll let them know. Expect 7 left.
Thanks.
Okay, Fire Command for Tower, just be advised, 2006 needs runway 7 left is what they're saying. So runway 7 left is where they're going to be placing him. I don't have a sequence for them at this moment.
Fire Command, copies. Runway 7 left is going to be for the emergency down.
American 2006, thanks again. Contact approach 120.4. She'll get you turned in here in just a minute.
120.4. Hey, nice work today, guys. Appreciate the support. American 2006.
Thank you, sir.
Tower, American 2006, emergency on the ILS runway 7 left.
American 2006, Phoenix Tower traffic holding in position now will depart momentarily. Wind 1006, runway 7 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 7 left, American 2006, emergency.
Fire Command, correction, American 2006. Fire Command is on frequency. They have transmit and receive capabilities if you have any further information for them.
Yeah, it's going to be a fairly fast approach, so we'll go ahead and stop on the runway straight ahead if that's what they want, and then I don't think we're going to need anything. We're going to have some hotter than average brakes, so that's probably it.
American 2006, Roger. If you have the ability to taxi off the runway, that would be best on our side, but if you need to hold, that's fine, and do what you need to do.
Negative. Our initial plan was to clear off onto Echo whenever we could, and then we can talk to Fire Command from there. How's that sound?
That sounds good, thank you.
Awesome.
Fire Command, did you copy any of that?
Fire Command, copy. Thank you.